I would like to welcome you to the IPBES Data Management tutorial. These tutorials, which consist out of 6 chapters and more than 26 individual sessions, each between 3 and 10 minutes long, and an overall running time of more than 2.5 hours, is a production of the IPBES Task Force on Knowledge and Data and its respective technical support unit, with 13 contributors and recorded in collaboration with the TAR Technical Support Unit on capacity building. The process started in January 2020, when the multidisciplinary expert panel and the Bureau approved the data management policy of IPBES. The approval of this policy marks an important step for IPBES and for all institutions working on the science policy interface, as to the best of our knowledge, this data management policy is unique of its kind for the science policy organization. It had more than 1,500 reads in its first year and close to 200 more within January 2021 alone. The policy outlines data management principles for all IPBES products and mandates the open and fair data management principles as a standard of all data handling, analysis, and integration within IPBES. Even though the data management policy is a milestone in adopting fair and open data management, the policy needs to be implemented and followed in the day-to-day activities within IPBES. This is where these tutorials come in. They introduce data management policy, clarify terminology and concepts, and introduce useful tools which are in accordance with the policy. These tutorials are a resource for IPBES experts to assist them in gaining the necessary knowledge to follow the principles outlined in the data management policy within their work in IPBES. The implementation of the policy supported by these tutorials will result in an increased transparency and reproducibility of IPBES products, therefore helping the platform adopt and maintain modern approaches for data management and increase its impact. This tutorial series is by no means a finished product. The IPBES data management tutorials are dynamic products which are evolving over time in line with changes in the data management policy, needs of the IPBES experts, and development of new tools relevant to data management within IPBES. New examples will be added illustrating good data management practices within IPBES, as well as sessions supplementing the existing topics. Finally, I would like to invite you to help us to keep these tutorials relevant by providing us feedback and sharing your suggestions and ideas. Only if we hear from you and your experience and impressions of this series can we improve it and keep it as a useful resource for IPBES experts, the IPBES community, and any other interested party. There's only one thing left to say. I hope you will enjoy these data management tutorials.